Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've got another sewing video today. I'm finally doing a review video of the ruffle sleeve top from Peppermint Patterns. If you guys have seen some of my other videos, you might have seen that I did a review of their free wrap top pattern a few months ago, and even though I made this top ages ago, I've still not got around until now to doing a video about it. So just to start with, the Peppermint Patterns is an Australian-based company. They release a magazine quarterly, and as part of that they also release a free sewing pattern. And while these patterns are free, they do ask if you could donate or a small amount of money or buy them a coffee, as it says, to kind of help fund this. The patterns themselves are PDF downloads, so you can kind of download them and then send them to a copy shop if you want a more formal pattern printing, or you can do what I do, which is print out all the A4 pieces and then spend a decent amount of time cutting and sticking them together to get your pattern pieces. I'll pop a little twirl video of me in the top so you can kind of see what it looks like. So it literally is kind of a boxy top with kind of sleeves that come down to mid-arm and then ruffles that come down to about the elbow. It's got darts and it's got some facing in the back, which I'll show you in a second. And like with all their patterns, they're really easy instructions to follow. They've got kind of picture diagrams next to kind of each section that you go through. So if you are a beginner like me, then it's super easy to follow. And they've got loads of nice details as well with the French seams that if you don't have an overlocker means that you're not got left with fraying edges, and it just makes the whole thing look tidier, it feels more durable. And a lot of their kind of ethos is on the website, you're making things to last. You're not trying to just make things that are going to disintegrate after a few washes. And I really feel that works. I think the garments feel sturdy, and you know, I feel like the seams aren't just going to unravel, and my thing that I've spent quite a long time on because I'm not very quick will have just, you know, unraveled into dust basically. So I'll show you my top. So it's in this really nice red viscose challis fabric, which has got really nice drape to it. You can see the facing here at the back means that the neckline lies really nicely. Shoulders fit really well. It's got some bust darts, and then you can see the ruffle sleeves here. And if I just bring up one of the side seams, so you can see this is one of the French seams, and you see what I mean, all the edges are enclosed, and it does take time. It does mean you end up running each seam through twice, so it does take more time, but as I said, the edges look much neater, and if you don't have an overlocker like I don't, everything looks so much tidier afterwards. The facing as well, I think, is really nice detail. It makes the whole thing look more professional. Everything lies really nicely across your neckline, and overall I think it's just a really nice top. It is a bit more kind of boxy and loose fitting than what I would normally go for, but I think that with a pair of high-waisted jeans, you know, it looks really nice, and it's really nice for summer as well. It's a bit more loose fitting. So overall, guys, I would really recommend this pattern if you're interested in something like this. There's no kind of zips or buttons or anything, so probably it is quite a good beginner pattern. I did feel like I learnt quite a lot making this, doing the ruffles, doing the French seams again. I think they are really useful skills to pick up. And it's not got tons and tons of pattern pieces, which means like it is something you can make in a sort of vaguely achievable time frame. And yeah, just like I really enjoyed making their wrap top pattern, really enjoyed making this one. And on their website, if you want to have a look, it's got loads of other things like jumpsuits, wrap skirts, other dresses and smock dresses and things like that. So there's loads of different pieces of women's wear you can check out and make if you're not interested in these ones. But if you're looking for free patterns which have easy to follow instructions, nice details, and hopefully will actually last you, then definitely check out these guys. That's Peppermint Patterns. I'll put a link down below. And that's everything I've got to say on this. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next videos. Bye.